Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to today's live trading session. Okay, so quickly I want to check my audio just to be sure that we're good. Just a minute. Just a minute, please. Okay, so just a minute, please. All right, so we're good for audio. All right, so we're good for audio. Perfect. All right, so it's a week, it's a new week, and many expectations, many opportunities in the markets. What are you seeing? Remember to share the links, okay? Share the links to your contacts, your friends, okay? New traders, aspiring traders, upcoming traders, pro traders. Share the links to them right now. Let them know that I am live. Aspiring traders, link, share it to all of my contacts. Make sure you do the same. Just let them know that we are live. Very important. Because I'm going to be saying a lot of things that will be, valuable to them. Excuse me. Valuable, beneficiary, and helpful. So the link is on the group, and everyone wants to join from there. So do that quickly before I begin to share my screen, so that they can participate and catch every segment of this live trading session. Okay. All right, so the links are all out there. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to take you straight to the chart so I can show you what I'm basically seeing. All right, so this is my chart. First of all, I'm going to start with the dollar index, then I'm going to go straight to GBPUSD basket. So this is what the dollar index has been doing. It's been very choppy. Excuse me. I personally was planning to trade this imbalance. Okay, but price obviously tested it and went massively bearish. Gave up another imbalance, two jumps. I was expecting to trade the otherwise to balance this imbalance, and price crashed massively. Currently, price is on a strong demand zone, okay, and we can possibly get an entry for that huge reversal. What am I expecting to trade? I'll be looking forward to trading when price takes out this low. Okay, once price does that, gives me bullish confirmation, then I'm going to be finding bearish entries on GBPUSD. Now this entry wasn't taken, so it's just an anticipation. Okay, so I'm going to be finding entry on GBPUSD. What's going to be my confluence? I will need price to take out this as well. Once price does that, then I will know that this is what I'm going to be doing. So that's what I'm going to be doing with you. Then if you go straight to, so that's a rebound, because if you look at G very well, it looks bullish from the 4-hour time frame. Now let's go straight to JPY basket. Same scenario. JPY basket has been crashing massively. If you go to the 24-hour time frame, you find the supply. in the demand zone. Okay, it's done the list of all time. Okay, the list of all time. So cannot really find any supports or what's it called, demand. So currently, with what price is doing, I can begin to find bullish retracement. Okay, for GPY basket of which ones I get that, then I'm going to be going bearish as well for GBP JPY. So what I would with silver and gold are actually doing the same thing, massively bullish currently. They may retrace bearish, shortly. We're gonna catch that once we get a confirmation. Gold and silver the same, like I said. The other gold's entry as ETP. Make sure you catch entries on post. Bitcoin, I'll be looking for bullish moves on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And that's Ethereum. Same structure, okay? They're like brothers. And then we have US30 acting almost the same way, just like crypto, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And then finally, stocks, Tesla. Tesla is currently going to give us bearish entries. So we're going to wait for that confirmation. Oh, thank you. And then we have GBPUSD, GC. No clear directional bias for me. I'm just going to observe it and wait. Then straight up, let's go to the synthetics. So we'll just look at volatility 25, and jump 25 quickly. So all right, so this is boom. So boom eventually hit TP. After that, exit. Okay, so this is boom, but we're not talking boom with the free community. So let's go straight to volatility 25. Let's see what it's giving. Okay, so we'll go to the 4-hour time frame and look at the directional bias. So volatility 25 is bullish. So we're gonna look for bullish entries, and when we get that, I'm gonna give you the confirmation. And jump 25 is still bullish until there's a full retracement. Stay bullish. Okay, all right, so that's all we can take for this week's weekly. Oh man. I just finished weekly analysis and the display is not on the screen. That's too bad. So I'm going to check out that for next week. I'll make sure I don't repeat that mistake. What? Not on the screen. That's too bad. That's too bad. And catch every segment of this live training session. Okay, so we're not going to do that next week. So that'll be all we're going to take for today. So see you during next week's weekly review. And see you during this week's review, and see you during the weekly analysis for next week and the live trading session. Have a great week. Make sure you make money. See you soon.